All right.
An hour. And I'm not going to drive an hour. I'm not sure this guy?
Can you, I mean, are your hands okay to be doing formation and stuff?
We'll find out.
It's not a good answer. Oh, my foot.
You can give me one glove. You're like, no, fuck that.
No. No. They were given to me by Cindy, so.
She has so many gloves. I've used them like gloves before.
Ah!
Just flying in the fog makes you a better pilot because it incentivizes flying low.
What?
It's perfect.
What is he saying?
No.
Flying in the fog
Ah!
makes you a better pilot.
The fog is good
Because it incentivizes
flying low.
Oh, okay.
I don't know about that, buddy. Alright, vamos.
Don't worry, I did the math, okay?
The math. There's math involved in that? Interesting.
Alright,
Okay.
taking off.
Gear up.
That's fine. I'll stick with you, whatever you're doing.
Going up. Flip it.
Whoa!
Oh, that was cool. Into the clouds, baby. Nice. Oh, dude, yeah, the ceiling's not.
It just came down.
That's not very high in there. Dirty roll, baby.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
It is really freaking cold.
Yeah, it is. And it's getting colder because the fog's coming back down.
Well, we're going to do a quick range.
Whoa!
That was cool. I like how my afterburner got into the clouds and looked like it was like flickering.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Dirty roll! Yeah, you do it too fast. You gotta go slower.
1 minute.
We haven't done any high alpha yet.
There, that was slower. Alright, high alpha, baby.
Give me a little run up. You're good. Flop.
30 seconds.
You want to go fast?
Huh?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Low
5,
circuit.
4,
Okay.
3, 2,
I'll stay with you.
1. Time
What battery?
expired.
6,000.
Okay.
Pulling up.
I don't need 290 mil block. That's kind of my one. It's either this or the F-22. I don't know which one to get. I feel like the F-22 is kind of the same thing, so I'd rather get something a little, like I'd rather get like a 70 or.
Well, I don't have either one, so I'm thinking F4 or F-22.
In all honesty, I like the F4, but I don't think I'll.
Yeah, I like the look of the F4. The F-22, red zone Frank.
Well, this one's modified, where it just has the upgraded.
Yeah.
I know.
Going up.
I know. If I got one,
I don't know if I would recommend it.
No, I'd put like.
Coming
maybe
back
Frank's
down
power
this way.
170 left.
Frank's power system is pretty good. I'll probably put his.
Why don't you just buy Frank's F4?
Huh?
You already sold it, didn't you?
Oh, I sold my F4 already.
Oh, I thought.
Who'd you sell it to?
some guy called Leonard. who's flying.
From here, right?
Yeah.
No, for some reason I thought it was still from there.
1 minute
It's a good
over.
price though, so I was thinking about it, but I didn't have the money at the time.
I'm flipping it and come back.
380 for the
If I didn't have one, I probably would have bought it, to be honest.
the plane itself was like.
Yeah,
over
if I didn't have one, I would have bought it.
Yeah.
I tried selling it as an art for 330 and people just wouldn't buy it. And I was like, alright. So I put a power
Well, the
system
power
in it.
the power system you had in it was the film.
Yeah.
Well, I think people just like having it all set. You know,
People
like it's
do
just
like
like
that.
it's ready to go. Put a receiver in and go. They don't like that.
Going up.
This is my 9th flight today.
That will be my like.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. And this is hot. One thing I will say is nice about the
What's your voltage?
29.
Oh shit.
2 minutes over.
I got a little over a minute. I don't want that battery to be nice and toasty.
things on the bottom of the F4 aren't shearable. They're cooling ducts. Yeah. They're not actually like shearable. Like,
Yeah, the Hawk, those things on the top of the plane.
They don't go into the. There are cheatables, but those cheatables don't go into the fan.
Is that the Dr. Mattress power system you have in it?
In mine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what about Frank's?
What system do I have in mind?
Yeah.
Very similar to his.
Oh, gotta come in.
Gear down.
Yeah.
You blew
I
my
tried to do a maneuver in my plane and I was pulling and I was like, nope.
Nope.
And I was like,
Come on.
time to come in.
Yeah, I hit throttle and it went, wah. I'm like, oh, that's enough.
Check the battery. Pretty sure it's set.
I had a pretty nice
3 minutes over.
Ah!
until you
Until I did that shit. What is all that about? I mean, come on, man. Landing was perfect.
You know what I might buy? E-Flight made another FMS copy.
Yeah, they basically, I'm so disappointed.
They copied it completely. They just changed the paint
Changed the color.
and did their own gyro tuning.
I suppose they own it. No, they don't. Do they own it from last?
Yeah,
Just partner.
They partnered with them.
Yeah, they don't own it.
I'm pretty sure they own it.
No.
I don't think so.
I might buy it though. I'm thinking about it.
I kind of want it too, just for the paint.
Are these the FMS
Yeah,
ones?
I just
No, this
want
is a true wing.
Well,